Welcome to this SiteOx instructional video. The topic of this video is how to automatically deploy Linux on Intel in the SiteOx cloud, on demand, and in minutes. This video assumes that you already have a user account at SiteOx and are logged into that account. To deploy a Linux on Intel VM in the SiteOx cloud, go to the menu on the left side of the page and select Services. Expand the Services menu and select Order New Services. The default order page is for AIX. Change the operating system by going to the Categories menu on the right side of the page and clicking on Linux VMs. A page will be displayed with multiple options for ordering Linux on Power and on Intel. Scroll down to the section of the page containing the Linux on Intel options. The first option in this section of the page is for ordering one-time short-term Linux on Intel VMs. The second option is monthly recurring VMs. The difference between these two options is the one-time short-term option allows you to lease by the day, week, or up to a month at a time, whereas the monthly recurring option allows you to lease by the month, then automatically recurs each month. The one-time short-term option does not automatically recur when the lease expires. You must manually extend or renew the lease. For the purpose of this video, a one-time short-term Linux on Intel VM will be selected by clicking the associated Order Now button. This will display the product configuration page, which shows the configurable options for Linux on Intel VMs. The first option allows you to configure the amount of time you want the lease. From the pull-down list, you can select the number of days, weeks, or up to a month of time for the lease. The next option is the operating system distribution. Numerous Linux on Intel distros are available. Select your desired distro from the pull-down list. Then select the number of processors, the amount of memory, and the amount of storage for the new Linux on Intel VM. Once you have finished selecting the configurable options, press the Continue button to add this order to your shopping cart. The next page will display the review and checkout screen where you can review your order and verify that it is correct. Once verified, click the Checkout button to complete and purchase your lease. The Linux on Intel VM is deployed in minutes from the time you complete the order. Once deployed, you will receive support ticket notification indicating where to obtain your connection and login information. If you have any additional questions, please submit a support ticket and we will be pleased to answer your questions.